Prince Harry got in touch with some of his friends in England and ex-girlfriends over the summer to ask whether they could help with his book, it has been sensationally claimed. These associates of the Duke of Sussex were reportedly asked to open up on some intimate areas of Harry's life, including his relationships and upbringing. This request, one source claimed, was seen as ironic by some of the people the royal reached out to, given how in the past Harry had asked his close contacts to remain tight-lipped about his private life and to not speak with the media about him. The source told The Sun, "Friends and girlfriends were polite and said they would think about it, but ultimately most said no. It was felt to be kind of ironic Harry would hit the roof if he ever had an inkling they spoke to the media, but now wants them to when he needs their help." It is not known whether Chelsea Davy and Cressida Bonas, who famously dated Prince Harry for years, were among the people approached by the Duke for his book. After new details were shared, many commentators agreed the memoir could be damaging or at least distressing for the royal family. Niall Gardiner, a royal family enthusiast and foreign policy expert, told Express.co.uk, "There has rightfully been a lot of reaction to the release, and I anticipate this is going to be an angry and bitter book. It is one that could cause a great deal of damage to the royal family. The tone of book, based on the title Spare and the front cover, looks to be very dark. It may well be the publishing equivalent of a grenade being thrown into Buckingham Palace." Similarly, royal author Pauline McLaren, professor at Royal Holloway, University of London, said that, depending on the nature of the remarks in the memoir and the level of criticism against the royals, there is bound to be a lot of content that distresses the royals, whether on Harry's account and the pain he has suffered, or the criticisms he levels at other members of his family.
Bye.